The Shark LA702 Rotator Pet Vacuum delivers strong, consistent suction that pulls embedded pet hair out of carpets and hard floors without feeling overly heavy to push. Its dual brush roll design with flexible fins keeps close contact with the floor, so it grabs fine dust, larger debris, and stubborn hair in a single pass more often than many standard uprights. The self-cleaning brush roll is very effective at preventing long hair from wrapping around the roller, which makes it a low-maintenance choice for homes with multiple shedding pets. With the lift-away canister, it quickly converts for cleaning stairs, furniture, and above-floor areas, and the included tools handle tight crevices, upholstery, and delicate surfaces well. The sealed filtration system, with a high-efficiency particulate air filter, does an excellent job trapping tiny dust and allergen particles, so less of what you vacuum up ends up back in the room air. Odor control built into the vacuum helps keep pet and dust smells from building up inside the machine. And the bright headlights and swivel steering make everyday cleaning feel easier and more precise.